absolutely incredible. I can't believe it. I really can't believe it. Just let me make sure you can see that. Yes. Since I put that video up last week, I think I put it up the Friday Frugal Living one. I think I put that one up on Thursday. It's only Tuesday, so what's that? Let's count Thursday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we count today, 6 days. Another 2 petrol price rises. 2p per litre each time. When I first started noticing, which was about 14 days ago, there'd already been one price rise. So it's gone up from 1.59 a litre to 1.63. Did it go up to? No, 1.61. 1.59 to 1.61 to 1.63 to 1.66. It was 1.68 only a couple of days ago, and now it's 1.70 a litre. It's almost, well, words fail me. Some hummus, 30p I got. This is Tesco's I went to. Some bread for 25p. Some of these flat pizzas, 25p. Also these Jolly Hog little pork chipolata sausages, they were 95p. I've been calling quite a lot and there's not actually been a lot reduced. 5 petrol price rises. Dear me, this is beyond a joke. I found a book this afternoon that actually was my father's. This is where I learnt my budgeting skills from my parents. I'm going through my spare bedroom sorting out stuff and dusting. A rare occurrence. But I've come across an old book that belonged to my dad. Housekeeping. This is how they budgeted. 16th of the 12th, 1949. Laundry bill. 2 shillings 5.5 pennies. Gas and coal 5 and 6. Butchers 3 and 2pence. What does that say? Groceries 13 shillings and 2pence. Milk 3 and 4pence. Laundry. I decided not to do any luck. Potatoes, a shilling. Woolworths, blast from the past. 3 shillings. And that's how you budget, people. Write everything down that you're spending. Got some chicken thighs reduced to 74p. There were 4 in the pack, so I've eaten 2 and saved the bones, and with the other 2 in the bones, here they are, cooking up with some potatoes, a little bit of carrot, some of that regrown celery, a stock cube, some chives, and I'm going to add, so basically I've just added an ounce of cheese. And I'm just crumbling it into this flour. Then I'll mix it with a drop of water and we'll make some dumplings. About halfway through cooking, I'm just adding these 4 dumplings. So that just gives you an example of what I do when I've got a lot of one thing that I've got reduced, like the cheese. To substitute it, instead of the lard or margarine, I'm making these lovely dumplings. That'll do 2 or 3 meals. It's voucher time again. Lovely. £3 off when you spend £20, and the points that I've earned over the last 3 months add up to £2.50. So if I'm careful and spend £20 and not much more than that, I'll get 15% off and a further £2.50. So we'll see what we can get. I actually called at a large Tesco's outside York, and when I got there, look, 25% off clothing. So this is what I bought. Some of the clothing actually was at sale price as well, and I wanted some pumps, so these had been £16 and they're actually on sale at £7. I got some more pants, they're £6, but there was 25% off those. These hair colours, you can't often get the number 8 at the smaller Tesco's, so that was good to see. And those have been £8 each, or 2 for 12. They're now £10 each and 2 for 14. So this is how much I saved. The sale price of the pumps was £7. They had been 16. The pants were £6. So that together I spent £13. But actually with the 25% off, it was actually £9.75. I got the 2 hair colours for £14, although there were £10 individually. So all in all, that was £23.75 I actually had to pay. But the voucher, if I spent £3, if I spent £20, I got £3 off, so she knocked me £3 off. So that came to £20.75. Then I had the voucher where my points were saved up, so that was £2.50, so take that off. It actually cost me £18.15, and had I paid the regular price for these items, £42. Lovely. Bit of a result there. Nice to end the week on a high. So get out there, people, and do your best. See what you can find. Take care.